Hello, my name is Sarah Larkin, and I am the statewide math consultant for the Iowa Educational Services for the Blind and Visually Impaired. This video will look at using the counting method to address the hundreds place as well. Notice that I have an expanded beginner's abacus with 3 columns instead of 2 to be able to handle the hundreds. Let's use the same idea to do the following problems. 172 plus 53. So I'm going to set 100, 7 tens, and 2 ones. Now I need to add 53. So with my right index finger in the tens column and my left index finger in the hundreds column, I'm going to add 5 tens. In the tens column, with my right index finger, 1 up, 2 up, help out in the hundreds, 3 up as I clear the tens, 4 up in the tens, 5 up in the tens. That's the 50 for 53. And now add the 3 ones, easy enough, for 225. 172 plus 53 equals 225. Let's clear that problem and do a second addition. 742. So 700, 4 tens, and 2 ones. I'm going to add 169. Well, adding the 100 is easy enough. Now again, in my tens column with my right index finger, hundreds column with my left index finger. I'm going to add 6 tens, 1 up in the tens, 2 up in the tens, 3 up in the tens, 4 up in the tens, 5 up in the tens. Now I don't have any more, so I have to help out in the hundreds. 6 up as I clear the tens column. That's my 60. Now I need to add 9 ones, so my right index finger should be in the ones column. My left index finger should be in the tens column. That left index finger is always one to the right of where I'm working, one to the left of where I'm working. So in the ones column, 1 up, 2 up, 3 up, 4 up, 5 up, 6 up, 7 up, help out in the tens column, 8 up, as I clear the ones, and again in the ones, a 9th beat up, for an answer of 911. Clearing that problem, we'll do a couple of subtraction problems. Notice all my beads are down to start. I'm going to do 546 minus 489. So 5 hundreds, 4 tens, and 6 ones. Now I'm going to subtract 489. Well, I can subtract those 4 hundreds. Now I need to subtract 8 tens. So my right index finger should be in the tens column. My left index finger should be 1 column to the left in the hundreds column. So in my tens column, subtracting 80, 1 down in the tens, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, there aren't any more. So I need to help out in the hundreds, 5 down in the hundreds as I return the 9 in the tens, and then continue in the tens, 6 down, 7 down, 8 down. Now I'm ready to subtract my ones. So in the ones column with my right index finger, that means my left index finger should be 1 column to the left of that in the tens column. Subtracting my 9 ones, 1 down in the ones, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, 5 down, 6 down. There aren't any more, so help out in the tens column. 7 down as I return all 9 in the ones column. Still in the ones column, 8 down, 9 down, for an answer of 57. 546 minus 489 is 57. Clear the abacus. One more subtraction problem. 825 minus 389. So 8 hundredths, 2 tens, and 5 ones. Now I'm going to subtract 389. Subtract the 300ths. Easy enough. Now we're going to subtract 8 tens. So in the tens column should be my right index finger. In the hundreds should be my left index finger, ready to help. In the tens column, I'm subtracting 80. 1 down, 2 down, help out in the hundreds. 3 down as I return all of the 10 column. Continue in the tens. 4 down, 5 down, 6 down, 7 down, 8 down. Now I'm going to subtract my 9 in the ones column. So my right index finger should be in the ones. My left index finger just to the left in the tens column. Bringing the beads down one at a time in the ones column. 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, 5 down. There aren't any more. Help out in the tens column. 6 down as I return all of the ones. Continue in the ones. 7 down, 8 down, 9 down for an answer of 436.